This episode follows Linda, a nurse from Christchurch, who survived the 2011 earthquake that fractured New Zealand's South Island. Caught under falling plaster, she sheltered beneath a doorway while tending to others, learning to adapt to the building's unpredictable tremors as the city trembled around her. The prolonged aftershocks taught her to stock essential supplies, rehearse emergency routines, and recognize that small acts of care can anchor a community under pressure. Her lessons translate into practical tips like evacuation plans, portable chargers, water storage, and building support networks. The experience reshaped her outlook, turning lingering anxiety into readiness and compassion into daily action.